Magnesium. It's a metal that doesn't always get the spotlight, but it's changing the way we build, design, and innovate. It's lighter than aluminum, stronger than plastic, and plays a crucial role in industries ranging from aerospace to electronics. But what makes magnesium alloys so special? And how do we transform this seemingly ordinary metal into a material that shapes the modern world? To answer that, we need to go beyond the surface, into the world of metallurgy, engineering, and cutting-edge science. We need to understand the process of making magnesium alloys, how raw materials are refined, combined, and perfected to create something lighter, stronger, and simply better. Let's break it down, right here, on History of Simple Things. The story of magnesium alloys begins with the extraction of pure magnesium. Although magnesium is the 8th most abundant element on Earth, it doesn't exist in its pure form in nature. Instead, it is found in minerals like dolomite and magnesite, as well as in seawater and underground brine deposits. There are two main methods used to extract magnesium. First, electrolysis of magnesium chloride. This is the most common method for large-scale magnesium production. Magnesium chloride, MgL2, often extracted from seawater or salt lakes, is melted and subjected to an electric current. This process separates magnesium from chlorine, leaving behind pure magnesium metal. Second, the Pigeon process. Named after Canadian scientist Lloyd Pigeon, this method is used when magnesium is extracted from minerals like dolomite. The process involves heating magnesium oxide, MgO, with a reducing agent, usually ferrosilicon, inside a high-temperature furnace. The magnesium vapor that forms is then cooled and condensed into a solid. Once extracted, pure magnesium is shaped into ingots or pellets, ready to be transformed into alloys. While magnesium is incredibly light, it is also quite soft in its pure form. To make it strong and durable, it must be combined with other metals to form alloys. This is where the magic of metallurgy comes into play. Different metals are added to magnesium to give it specific properties. Aluminum, Al, improves strength and corrosion resistance. Zinc, Zn, enhances toughness and wear resistance. Manganese, Mn, helps prevent corrosion without affecting strength. Rare earth elements, REEs, boosts heat resistance, making magnesium alloys ideal for aerospace applications. To create an alloy, pure magnesium is melted in a specialized furnace. Since magnesium is highly reactive, this must be done in a controlled environment. If exposed to oxygen, molten magnesium can ignite, so it is melted under a protective gas atmosphere, often argon or sulfur hexafluoride, or covered with a flux material to prevent oxidation. Once in its molten state, alloying elements are carefully added in precise amounts. Engineers closely monitor the process to ensure the metal composition meets exact specifications. After thorough mixing, the molten alloy is poured into molds to form ingots or billets, which will later be processed into usable components. Once the magnesium alloy has been created, it must be shaped into parts that can be used in real-world applications. There are several different ways to process magnesium alloys, depending on their final use. Die casting, one of the most popular methods, especially in the automotive and electronics industries. Molten magnesium alloy is injected into a high-pressure mold, forming complex parts with precision. Many car engine components, gearbox casings, and even laptop shells are made using die casting. Extrusion. Magnesium alloy is forced through a shaped die to create long, continuous forms like rods, tubes, or structural beams. This process is commonly used in aerospace and construction. Rolling. Similar to aluminum and steel, magnesium can be rolled into thin sheets or plates, making it useful for structural panels and lightweight enclosures. Forging. For applications that require extreme strength, magnesium alloys can be forged under high pressure, making them denser and more durable. Each of these processes requires careful temperature control. Magnesium alloys behave differently at various temperatures, so engineers must ensure the material is heated and cooled at the right rates to prevent defects. One of magnesium's biggest challenges is its tendency to corrode, especially when exposed to moisture or salt. To extend the lifespan of magnesium alloys, manufacturers apply surface treatments such as anodizing, creates a protective oxide layer that improves corrosion resistance. Powder coating adds a durable protective layer that enhances appearance and wear resistance. Chemical conversion coatings alters the surface chemistry to make it more resistant to oxidation. These coatings not only protect magnesium alloys, but also allow them to be used in more challenging environments, from coastal regions to high-performance sports cars. In the automotive industry, magnesium alloys are playing a crucial role in lightweighting, a process that reduces vehicle weight to improve fuel efficiency and lower emissions. In aerospace, they are being used to develop the next generation of aircraft that are both stronger and lighter. And in electronics, they allow for ultra-thin yet highly durable designs in smartphones, laptops, and cameras. Magnesium is even making its way into the medical field, where biodegradable magnesium alloys are being explored for use in implants that dissolve naturally in the body over time. Magnesium alloys may not always be in the spotlight, but they are transforming the way we build and innovate. From lightweight cars to high-tech gadgets, these alloys provide the perfect balance of strength, durability, and weight savings. So the next time you pick up a sleek laptop, step into a cutting-edge vehicle, or hear about new materials in aerospace, remember the incredible journey of magnesium alloys, from raw metal to high-performance engineering marvel. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.